Bienvenue chez Exam Heist, votre partenaire de confiance pour réussir vos certifications. Nous proposons des supports d'études complets, en ligne et hors ligne. Et nous sommes là pour vous guider pas à chaque étape. Des guides PDF détaillés aux exercices pratiques bien structurés. Toutes les questions essentielles sont soigneusement couvertes pour vous donner toutes les chances de réussir. Vous aurez toujours les bonnes ressources à portée de main. Téléchargez les PDFs. Faites des tests et connectez-vous à notre équipe d'assistance experte. Avec la pratique interactive en ligne. Entraînez-vous et quand vous voulez. À votre rythme. Nos PDFs prêts pour l'examen sont soigneusement élaborés et régulièrement mis à jour. Des milliers d'apprenants certifiés font confiance à notre qualité et à notre sérieux. Des professionnels qualifiés sont disponibles pour répondre à vos questions. Commencez dès aujourd'hui et donnez à votre préparation l'avantage décisif avec Exam Heist. Visitez Exam Heist. Comme dès maintenant. Exam Heist. Votre parcours vers le succès commence ici.
Question 1. Which component of the Cisco SD-WAN architecture oversees the control plane of overlay network to establish, adjust, and maintain the connections between the WAN edge devices that form the Cisco SD-WAN fabric? Option A. APIC-M. Option B. vSmart. Option C. vManage. Option D. vBond. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, vSmart. Question 2. Which two hardware platforms support Cisco IOS X SD-WAN images? Choose 2. Option A. ISR 4000 series. Option B. ISR 9300 series. Option C. vEdge 1000 series. Option D. ASR 9000 series. Option E. ASR 1000 series. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, ISR 4000 series. Option E, ASR 1000 series. Question 3. What is a default protocol for control plane connection? Option A. HTTPS. Option B. TLS. Option C. IPsec. Option D. DTLS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, DTLS. Question 4. Which component of the Cisco SD-WAN control plane architecture should be located in a public internet address space and facilitates NAT traversal? Option A. WAN edge. Option B. vSmart. Option C. vBond. Option D. vManage. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, vBond. Question 5. Which Cisco SD-WAN WAN edge platform supports LTE and Wi-Fi? Option A. ISR 1101. Option B. ASR 1001. Option C. CSR 1000V. Option D. vEdge 2000. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, ISR 1101. Question 6. Refer to the exhibit. What does the BFD value of 8 represent? Option A. Dead timer of BFD session. Option B. Poll interval of BFD session. Option C. Hello timer of BFD session. Option D. Number of BFD sessions. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, number of BFD sessions. Question 7. A network administrator is bringing up one WAN edge router for branch connectivity. Which types of tunnels form when the WAN edge router connects to the Cisco SD-WAN fabric? Option A. DTLS or TLS tunnel with vSmart controller and IPsec tunnel with vBond controller. Option B. DTLS or TLS tunnel with vBond controller and IPsEC tunnel with vManage controller. Option C. DTLS or TLS tunnel with vBond controller and IPsEC tunnel with other WAN edge routers. Option D. DTLS or TLS tunnel with vSmart controller and IPsEC tunnel with other WAN edge routers. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. DTLS or TLS tunnel with vSmart controller and IPsEC tunnel with other WAN edge routers. Question 8. If Smart Account Sync is not used, which Cisco SD-WAN component is used to upload an authorized serial number file? Option A. WAN Edge. Option B. vSmart. Option C. vBond. Option D. vManage. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, vManage. Question 9. Which port is used for vBond under controller certificates if no alternate port is configured? Option A. 12344. Option B. 12345. Option C. 12347. Option D. 12346. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, 12346. Question 10. In the Cisco SD-WAN solution, vSmart controller is responsible for which two actions? Choose two. Option A. Authenticate and authorize WAN edge routers. Option B. Configure and monitor WAN edge routers. Option C. Distribute route and policy information via OMP. Option D. Distribute the IP address from DHCP server to WAN edge routers. Option E. Distribute crypto key information among WAN edge routers. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Distribute route and policy information via OMP. Option E. Distribute crypto key information among WAN edge routers. Question 11. When a WAN edge device joins the Cisco SD-WAN overlay, which Cisco SD-WAN component orchestrates the connection between the WAN edge device and a vSmart controller? Option A. vManage. Option B. vBond. Option C. OMP. Option D. APIC-M. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, vBond. Question 12. In an AWS cloud, which feature provisions WAN edge routers automatically in Cisco SD-WAN? Option A. Cloud on-ramp. Option B. Cloud app. Option C. vAnalytics. Option D. Network designer. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, cloud on-ramp. Question 13. A large retail organization decided to move some of the branch applications to the AWS cloud. How does the network architect extend the in-house Cisco SD-WAN branch to cloud network into AWS? Option A. Create virtual instances of vSmart Cloud through the AWS Online Software Store. Option B. Create gray tunnels to AWS from each branch over the Internet. Option C. Install the AWS Cloud Router in the main data center and provide the connectivity from each branch. Option D. Create virtual WAN edge devices cloud through the AWS Online Software Store. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Create virtual WAN edge devices cloud through the AWS Online Software Store. Question 14. Which two products are used to deploy Cisco WAN Edge Router virtual platforms? Choose two. Option A. Sun Enterprise M4000 server running Sun Solaris. Option B. SunSpark node running X. Option C. Cisco UCS. Option D. HP ProLiant DL380 Generation 10 running HPUX. Option E. Cisco ENCS 5000 series. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C, Cisco UCS. Option E, Cisco ENCS 5000 series. Question 15. A bank is looking for improved customer experience for applications and reduce overhead related to compliance in security. Which key feature or features of the Cisco SD-WAN solution will help the bank to achieve their goals? Option A. Integration with PaaS providers to offer the best possible application experience. Option B. Cores including application prioritization and meeting critical applications for selecting optimal path. Option C. Implementation of BGP across the enterprise routing for selecting optimal path. Option D. Implementation of a modern age core banking system. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Cores including application prioritization and meeting critical applications for selecting optimal path. Question 16. Which two prerequisites must be met before the cloud on-ramp for IaaS is initiated on we manage to expand to the AWS cloud? Choose 2. Option A. Attach an OSPF feature template to the AWS Cloud Edge Router template. Option B. Attach the Amazon Create VPC and Amazon Provision EC2 permission policy to the ING account. Option C. Subscribe to the SD-WAN Edge Router AMI in the AWS account. Option D. Attach a device template to the Cloud WAN Edge Router to be deployed in the AWS. Option E. Pre-provision the Transit VPC in the AWS region. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Subscribe to the SD-WAN Edge Router AMI in the AWS account. Option D. Attach a device template to the Cloud WAN Edge Router to be deployed in the AWS. Question 17. In a Cisco SD-WAN network, which component is responsible for distributing route and policy information via the OMP? Option A. vManage. Option B. vSmart Controller. Option C. vBond Orchestrator. Option D. WAN Edge Router. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B, vSmart Controller. Question 18. For data plane resiliency, what does the Cisco SD-WAN software implement? Option A. Multiple vBond orchestrators. Option B. Establishing affinity between vSmart controllers and WAN edge routers. Option C. OMP. Option D. BFD. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D, BFD. Question 19. Refer to the exhibit. Which configuration configures IPsEC tunnels in active and standby? Option A. VPN1 Service Net SVC1 Interface IPsEC1 IPsEC2 from vSmart Lists VPN List 1 VPN1. Option B. VPN0 Service Net SVC1 Interface IPsEC1 IPsEC2 from vSmart Lists VPN List 0 VPN0. Option C. VPN1 Service Net SVC1 Interface IPsEC1 IPsEC2 VPN List 1 Count Service PSEC 12756766046 from vSmart Lists VPN List 1 VPN 1. Option D. VPN 0 service net SVC1 interface IPsEC1 IPsEC2 VPN list 1 count service PSEC 12756766046 from vSmart lists VPN list 0 VPN. O. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. VPN 1 service net SVC1 interface IPsEC1 IPsEC2 from vSmart lists VPN list 1 VPN 1. Question 20. An organization wants to use the Cisco SD-WAN regionalized service chaining feature to optimize cost and user experience with applications in a network, which allows branch routers to analyze and steer traffic toward the required network function. Which feature meets this requirement? Option A. Cloud on-ramp for colocation. Option B. Cloud on-ramp for IaaS. Option C. Cloud Services Platform. Option D. VNF Service Chaining. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Cloud on-ramp for colocation. Question 21. Which Cisco SD-WAN component facilitates the initial communication between WAN edge devices to join a fabric? Option A. WAN edge router. Option B. vSmart controller. Option C. vManage. Option D. vBond orchestrator. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. vBond orchestrator. Question 22. What is an attribute of TLOC? Option A. Tag. Option B. Service. Option C. Local preference. Option D. Encryption. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Tag. Question 23. What is the behavior of vBond orchestrator? Option A. It builds permanent connections with vSmart controllers. Option B. It builds permanent connections with WAN edge routers. Option C. It updates vSmart of WAN edge routers behind NAT devices using OMP. Option D. It maintains vSmart and WAN edge routers secure connectivity state. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. It builds permanent connections with vSmart controllers. Question 24. Which routing protocol is used to exchange control plane information between vSmart controllers and WAN edge routers in the Cisco SD-WAN Secure Extensible Network? Option A. BGP. Option B. OSPF. Option C. BFD. Option D. OMP. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. OMP. Question 25. What is a requirement for a WAN edge to reach vManage, vBond, and vSmart controllers in a data center? Option A. OMP. Option B. IGP. Option C. COS. Option D. TLS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. TLS. Question 26. Which secure tunnel type should be used to connect one WAN edge router to other WAN edge routers? Option A. DTLS. Option B. SSL-VPN. Option C. IPsEC. Option D. TLS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. IPsEC. Question 27. What is the default value in milliseconds set for the pole interval in the BFD basic configuration? Option A. 300, 000. Option B. 600, 000. Option C. 900, 000. Option D. 120, 000. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, 600,000. Question 28. Which plane builds and maintains the network topology and makes decisions on traffic flows? Option A, data. Option B, orchestration. Option C, management. Option D, control. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, control. Question 29. How is TLOC defined? Option A. It is represented by a unique identifier to specify a site in a SD-WAN architecture. Option B. It specifies a Cisco SD-WAN overlay in a multi-tenant vs smart deployment. Option C. It is represented by a group of CORS policies applied to a WAN edge router. Option D. It is a unique collection of gray or IPsec encapsulations. Link color and system IP address. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. It is a unique collection of gray or IPsec encapsulations. Link color and system IP address. Question 30. Which vBond system configuration under VPN 0 allows for a routable public IP address even if the DNS name, host name, or IP address of the vBond orchestrator are omitted? Option A, WAN. Option B, local. Option C, DNS name. Option D, vBond only. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, local. Question 31. What are the two advantages of deploying cloud-based Cisco SD-WAN controllers? Choose 2. Option A, centralized control and data plane. Option B, infrastructure as a service. Option C, management of SLA. Option D, centralized RAID storage of data. Option E, distributed authentication policies. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, infrastructure as a service. Option C, management of SLA. Question 32. Which two image formats are supported for controller codes? Choose 2. Option A, NXOS. Option B, QCOW2. Option C, ISO. Option D, OVER. Option E, BIN. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, QCOW2. Option D, .over. Question 33. Which two platforms for the Cisco SD-WAN architecture are deployable in a hypervisor on premises or in IaaS cloud? Choose 2. Option A, CSR 1000V. Option B, ISR 4431. Option C, VH 100C. Option D, VH 2000. Option E, VH Cloud. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, CSR 1000V. Option E, VH Cloud. Question 34. How is the scalability of the manage increased in Cisco SD-WAN fabric? Option A, increase the bandwidth of the WAN link connected to the vManage. Option B, increase licensing on the vManage. Option C, deploy more than one vManage controllers on different physical server. Option D, deploy multiple vManage controllers in a cluster. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, deploy multiple vManage controllers in a cluster. Question 35. Which component of the Cisco SD-WAN control plane architecture facilitates the storage of certificates and configurations for network components? Option A, vSmart. Option B, WAN edge. Option C. We manage. Option D. We bond. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. We manage. Question 36. An engineer is troubleshooting a V-edge router and identifies a "DConfail" DTLS connection failure. Message. What is the problem? Option A. Memory issue. Option B. Certificate mismatch. Option C. Organization mismatch. Option D. Connectivity issue. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Connectivity issue.